In this program, we'll see how the static block works. Now we'll create another class where there will be a static block and it will print Intelliskills. Now we'll create an object of my class in main method. Now let's run this program. You can see that it has printed Intelliskills. Now we'll create another object of my class. Now if we run this program again, it should print Intelliskills twice, right? But on running the program again, it prints only once. This is because Intelliskills is present under the static block, and whatever is inside static block, it will execute only once in a single run. If we will create 4 objects of my class, then also it will print Intelliskills only once. This is the magic of the static class. Now let's create a method inside my class which prints Shinjini here. Now we'll call this method 4 times from the main method. Now let's run this program. You can see Intelliskills is printed once and Shinjini here is printed 4 times. I hope you understood the static block now. For more programs like this, please like, share and subscribe to Intelliskills. Thank you. Bye-bye.